It's a chance for us to give back as a company. It's a chance for Floor Furnishings to pass on the skills. That's a huge benefit. And we're desperate for fitters. We are desperate to get a base of fitters that we can utilise on our commercial works. There's been huge benefits of having our apprentices in our building. They bring new perspective to everything we do. They interject. We're very lucky. We've got 3 really amazing young men who are our apprentices who talk. They like to communicate. They ask questions. Gower College Swansea is the first college in Wales to ever offer a flooring apprenticeship. By offering this, it will allow us to have a longevity in our business because we're going to train our own fitters. I'd say that we've got 5 now that will have trained, and hopefully over the next 5 years we'll have definitely put through another 8 apprentices. So that'll be 13 on our books between the age of 23 and 30. So that's what we want.